Lonnie.
Hello.
Zachary, get off the wall. You're not gonna fall. We're here at the Stratosphere. And we're gonna ride on the big shot. And this is the view. And don't look down. Oh. But if you see that little stick up there? That's where the ride comes down.
Yeah, this is getting my.
I'm getting kind of sick. Women's restrooms that way, which is where I'm gonna go. We are hoping to not look like that. Or like this. Yeah, or I'm gonna pee in my pants up there. Oh, the boys are looking for the vendor. Oh, gosh.
They use the Atop, like, it's not like this way, they use that. It's not like that way.
No. What?
Give me 50 cents real quick. I never been. I haven't seen this.
I don't think I have it.
Whoa.
It's like super amazing.
Actually, what's the trip? Strip right here?
Lonnie went to the restroom. You ready to go up there, Jonas? Big shot?
Yup, ain't nothing to boss though. I just put on my pants and do the rock away.
So that is that. I mean, just kidding. Looks pretty good. And that's it. We'll tell you how it goes after.